Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn one new vocabulary, hideous. Hideous is an adjective. It means extremely ugly, repulsive. If you say that someone or something is hideous, you mean that they are very ugly or unattractive. A hideous person, it means unattractive and ugly person. Second, terrifying and horrific. It means भयानक या डरावना. इसका हिंदी मीनिंग है बड़ा भद्दा, भयंकर, डरावना या घिनौना. Synonyms: ugly, unsightly, repulsive, terrifying and awful. Antonyms: beautiful and pleasant. Let's see example. एक भयानक राक्षस ने असहाय ग्रामीणों पर हमला कर दिया. A hideous monster attacked the helpless villagers. उसने खिड़की पर एक भयानक चेहरा देखा और चिल्लाया. She saw a hideous face at the window and screamed. मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने जो रंग योजना चुनी है वह भद्दा है. वह बहुत ही अगली है. I think the color scheme they have chosen is hideous. उसने रास्ते में एक भयानक राक्षस देखा. She saw a hideous monster on her way. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.